Alrighty then, so what I've done, if I can put the light on, is I've managed to drill that out carefully with that. What I'm going to have to do next is tap the new threads in, then put the helicoil thing in, and then I think what I'll do is I'll just blast everything out all together in one, rather than push me luck too much. So, right, I can't remember the last time I tried to put some threads in something, but I made a mess of it. So, right, this will be an adventure. So if I clear some of me crap out of the way, then let's get started. Right, I can't get anything else to fit on the end, so I'm continuing my with my cowboy mechanical skills with some mole grips, and I don't know if I'm pushing my luck doing it one-handed, but yeah, it's kind of going. I think I'll be careful and stop recording and use both hands, because I think I'm only going to get one chance at this, so I'll see you in a minute. Right, that wasn't fun. So I've got the threads done, if you can see. There you go, mostly. So if I can work out how to zoom out again. Right, that's near enough. So I've now got to get one of these put in, and then, hold on, right, one of these in, and then snap this end bit off, and then hopefully that'll come out. So that fits on like so, and hopefully that bit's going to come out. So right, I'm going to use both hands just to get sized up, and then we'll have a go. Right, it's going in. That'll be the compressor. God, is it actually going in? Right. Yes, it is. Right, I'm going to go back to both hands for a minute. Right, that was interesting. So there's one I actually had to take out because I completely arsed it up. So I've done another one, and it's went in. I've managed to snap the thing off the end to get it to come out. So that looks better. So I'm going to use the old plug to see if that'll actually work. Where's my socket gone? Oh bollocks, man. Right, I'll stick these on pause a minute. Right, so it's going. and it's extremely tight. I don't know how tight it should be. Yeah, that's miles off being in. Right, I'm going to persevere off camera and see what it looks like. Right, it's in. I'm assuming, because it's nipped up, that it's in far enough. It's in about as far as the other one. So I'm going to have no idea whether it will fire up until I stick the engine back in, finish cleaning out the fuel lines, connecting everything back up and seeing what's what. So I've either saved myself lots of money or I've caused myself lots of problems and a big bill. But yeah, I did say I wasn't a mechanic, but what can you do? So what I'm going to do now is put the oil filter in there and start putting a few things back together, and well, just get it ready to fit it back in. So right, keep going. Took a while, but I found the oil filter. Oh, good old Austrian air filter made in Spain. Yeah, that's difficult to do one-handed. Balls. Right, I've got a spanner somewhere. Yeah, I must remember to nip that up. Right, that's done. I was wondering, was there something else I was supposed to do on there? I did actually adjust the belts. I think they're okay. Yeah, I think that'll do for now. I found me penetrating oil, so I'm going to see if I can release some of the little adjusty nuts on the brakes, and then I'm actually going to see if I can find my grease gun and start greasing my nipples. Giggity. Something I kept forgetting to do and finally got around to it was to get some diesel. Hold on, shift that out of the way so I can see if that'll actually soak in there and free off that knackered seal. Turns out you can't buy red diesel anymore unless you're a farmer with the right paperwork. So I've actually had to spend money on proper diesel. So I cried my eyes out when I actually had to pay full price for diesel. So I'm going to see if I can get this tipped over a bit so I don't have to put it all in, because the rest's going in the tank. Right, I'm going to need both hands for this. Hold on. Right, and clumsy me managed to spill, I don't know, 30 pence worth, which I'm not happy about, but that's in there, so that's going to stay for a bit. I managed to pour some inside as well, so I'll have a check of that tomorrow, see what it's like. Right, I need to go and find my grease gun so I can tweak my nipples. Giggity. Right, been round, I've getting a few that I can. I've stuck bits of grease in here and there. I actually managed to find my grease gun and another grease gun, but I think those grease nipples are smaller than what's on the big truck, so I don't know if any grease went in or not. Now I don't know if you can see if I zoom in. Where is it? Oh, up there somewhere is another grease nipple which I just can't reach at all, unless I take the body off. Oh, there it is. There. That's alright, take my word for it. I'm going to have to do that one when I take the body off, so I'll screw that for now. So yeah, I've put some penetrating oil on the brake adjusters, which won't move, so I suspect I'll have to put a bit of heat on them, free them off. Whether I'm going to have to get new little brake piston-y, cylinder-y things, whatever they're called again, I don't know. I'll find out in a bit, but don't think I can do anything else tonight, so I think I'll put the fire on and have a cup of tea. Denzel, oi, oi, just ignore us.